Boy, excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Can I ask for your help with something? Person. Sure. What do you need? Boy. I'm new to the city, and I've never used a ride-hailing app like Uber or Bolt. Could you help me set it up? Person. Of course, I'd be happy to help. Do you have your phone with you? Boy. Yes, I do. I just don't know where to start. Person. Don't worry, it's pretty simple. Let's figure this out together. Person. So, do you have a specific app in mind? Uber? Bolt? Boy. I'm not sure. Are they very different? Person. Not really. Both let you book rides easily, but Uber is more common in many places, while Bolt is sometimes cheaper. Boy. I see. Which one do you recommend? Person. I'd say start with Uber. It's reliable and works in most cities. Boy. All right, let's go with Uber. Person. Great. Open your phone and go to the App Store. Do you use an Android phone or an iPhone? Boy, I have an Android phone. Person. Perfect. Open the Play Store and type in Uber. You should see it at the top of the list. Boy. Okay, I found it. What's next? Person. Click on Install. It'll take a minute to download. Boy. Got it. It's downloading now. Person. Perfect. Once it's installed, let me know. Boy. Okay, the app is installed. What do I do now? Person. Open the app. It should ask you to sign up for an account. Boy. All right, I see it. It's asking for my email and phone number. Should I enter them? Person. Yes, go ahead. Use an email address you check often. Boy. All right, I've entered them. Now it's asking for a password. Person. Create a password that's easy for you to remember, but not too simple. Avoid things like 1234 or password. Boy. Got it. I've made one. What's next? Person. The app might send you a verification code to your phone. Did you get one? Boy. Yes, I did. I'll enter it now. Person. Great. Once you verify your phone number, your account should be ready. Boy. Okay, I'm in. What do I do next? Person. Now the app might ask for permission to access your location. Boy. It is. Should I allow it? Person. Yes, definitely. The app uses your location to figure out where you are so drivers can find you. Boy. Why does it need GPS for that? Person. GPS helps the app show your exact spot on the map. Without it, the driver might not know where to pick you up. Boy. That makes sense. I'll allow it now. Person. Good. You're almost ready to book your first ride. Boy, is there anything else I should do before using the app? Person. Yes, let's quickly check your settings. Click on the menu, usually it's in the top corner, and look for Preferences. Boy. Okay, I see it. What should I change? Person. First, set your preferred language if it's not already in English. Boy. It's in English, so I think I'm good there. Person. Great. Next, decide if you want to receive notifications, like updates about your rides or promotions. Boy. I think I'll keep notifications on. Person. Perfect. That's all you need for now. You're ready to start using the app. Boy. Thanks so much for helping me. I was so confused before. Person. You're welcome. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Boy. I hope so. I'll try booking a ride later. Person. Sounds good. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Boy. Thank you. Have a great day. Person. You too. Good luck with your rides. Boy, do I need to carry cash to pay for the rides? Person. Not necessarily. Most ride-hailing apps let you pay in different ways. Boy. What do you mean by different ways? Person. You can pay using a credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. In some places, you can pay with cash, but it depends on the app and the city. Boy. Oh, so I don't have to worry about finding an ATM every time? Person. Exactly. Once you add your card or payment method to the app, it automatically charges you after the ride. Boy, that sounds convenient. Is PayPal safer than using a card? Person. Both are safe. The app uses encryption to protect your details. But if you're more comfortable with PayPal, you can use that too. Boy, how do I add a payment method to the app? Person, open the app and go to the menu. You should see an option called Payment or Wallet. Boy, okay, I found it. What do I do now? Person, click on Add Payment Method. Now it should give you options like adding a card or PayPal. Boy, I see the option for adding a card. Should I use my debit card? Person, yes, debit cards work fine. Just enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back of the card. Boy, done. But how do I know my card details are safe? Person. Good question. The app uses encryption to keep your information secure. That means no one can see your details except the payment processor. Boy, that's a relief. I was a bit worried about that. Person. Understandable. Ride-hailing apps are very strict about security, so you're in safe hands. Boy, how much does a typical ride cost? Person. It depends. The fare is calculated based on the distance, time, and sometimes demand. Boy, demand? What does that mean? Person. During busy hours like rush hour or late at night, the prices might go up. That's called surge pricing. Boy. Oh, so it's more expensive when there are a lot of people booking rides? Person. Exactly. But the app always shows the fare before you confirm the ride, so there won't be any surprises. Boy, that's good. And what if the ride is very short? Person. Even short rides have a minimum fare, so the price won't drop below that. Boy, got it. I'll check the fare carefully before booking. Boy, can I try booking a ride now? Person. Sure. Open the app and you'll see a search bar that says, Where to? Boy, I see it. Should I enter my destination? Person. Yes, type in the place you want to go. Boy, okay, I've entered it. What's next? Person. Now the app will show you car options like standard or premium rides. Choose the one you prefer. Boy, I think I'll go with the standard one. It looks affordable. Person. Good choice. Now check the fare and if everything looks good, hit confirm. Boy, done. It's asking me to wait for a driver. Person. Exactly. The app will match you with a driver nearby, and you'll see their details, like their name, car, and license plate. Boy, that's really helpful. I feel like I can do this on my own now. Boy, what happens if I book a ride and then cancel it? Person. If you cancel after a certain time, there might be a small cancellation fee. The app will warn you before charging. Boy, I see. And what about the drivers? How do I know they're good? Person. After each ride, you can rate the driver and see their overall rating. Most drivers are very professional. Boy, that's reassuring. Do drivers rate passengers too? Person. Yes, they do. So being polite and on time helps you maintain a good rating as a passenger. Boy, that makes sense. Any other tips I should know? Person. Always double-check the car and license plate before getting in. And if you're ever unsure, you can contact the driver through the app. Boy, thanks so much for all this. I feel much more confident now. Person. You're welcome. Once you use the app a few times, it'll feel like second nature. Boy, I'll give it a try later. Thanks again for your help. Person, anytime. Enjoy exploring the city. Write a sentence in English in the comments section below. Find the mistake. Incorrect. You should add your debit card on the app. Correct. You should add your debit card to the app. Explanation. The preposition on is incorrect here because it suggests something being physically on top. To is the correct preposition when talking about adding something to a system or platform. Incorrect. How much costs a ride usually? Correct. How much does a ride usually cost? Explanation. The question form is incorrect. In English, the auxiliary verb does is needed to form a proper question in this case. 5 vocabulary words. Encryption. A method used to protect information by turning it into a code that cannot be easily read. CVV. A security code on the back of a credit or debit card used for online payments. Surge pricing. When prices increase temporarily due to high demand. License plate. The official number plate on a car that identifies it. Cancellation fee. A small charge applied if you cancel a service after booking it. If you want to learn how to use public transport apps and book a ride with ride-hailing apps in simple English, click the video here or follow the link in the description.